So what I'm gonna do here is to make a 3D buildings set up into different according to different analysis. So as usual, I will for this I will make monochrome light because in order it should stand out so properly with the colors we are using. So then you will need to search the area you want. Then I will search for Melbourne. So once you search for it, you will come to the exact location you want to be at. So once you're set up with this, you need to go to the buildings layer, which is under the components layers. So when you turn this into a 3D, you will see that your buildings has automatically turned into 3D buildings. So now what we need to do is we have already set up the 3D of the building. So now we need to change the colors of the buildings according to different heights, and we are going to make into visual data where we can get the information. So first thing you need to do is change the color. So I will change this into blue, and you can change the opacity from here. Yep. So I will show you on the next one how next step how you're going to change the opacity. But for now, we are going to change the colors of this first. So once you are done with this, having a basic color for the buildings, you can go start across data and you need to go to the building's height. So once you go into the building height, okay, so I think the buildings are starting with 0, and also the buildings in Mapbox is always in meters, so we'll have always something, and I will start with different ranges like 3 meters and give it a color this, and then for yeah I will go by 300, then I will go by 100 to 100, then you can change the color again into this, another star maybe 500, give it another range. Then maybe I'll go to 800 directly and give a color range. Just give color ranges as much as you want, and I will start from here. Yeah. So as you can see, like there is like a color shades in this area. Maybe 600 somewhat. Yeah. So as you can see, that is a color change. But for this, I'm gonna give something like this. Yeah. So once you're set up with this, you can change the opacity from here. Uh, like you really need to change the opacity. So I'm gonna yep, and this one also I will give it like full opacity, so it's really clear out what we are doing in here. So the best part of doing something like this is you can really identify what kind of buildings you have. So in really pretty Melbourne, you will get most of the buildings are like high-rise buildings, but you will get small number of low-rise buildings. So if we go to another region like maybe here, you will not get high-rise buildings as much as you get in the Melbourne region. So that's how you do comparisons when you have 3D buildings set up. So if you can see the coloring changes, if I change this into something like really bright, right? You will see like what are the buildings. Like it's pretty easy to have a close understanding and differentiation from region to region. When you have, if you say this region, you will see like there are no high-rise buildings. All are like starting from 4 meters, 3 4, like you will not get high-rise buildings in this region. So that's how you do a 3D building analysis in order to get different kinds of building study. So thank you for watching this video.